According to Drive Tesla, Lucid has announced its fourth quarter and full year 2024 financial results, showing strong growth as the company gears up for a major production expansion in 2025. Lucid reported $234 million in revenue for Q4, nearly 50% increase from the same period in 2023, bringing its total annual revenue to $808 million, up 35% from the previous year. Despite operating at a loss, the company ended the year with $6.1 billion in liquidity. Lucid met its 2024 production target, building 9,029 vehicles, with deliveries jumping 71% to 10,241 units. Looking ahead, it expects to more than double production in 2025, aiming for around 20,000 vehicles. This includes the highly anticipated Lucid Gravity SUV. In a leadership shakeup, CEO Peter Rawlinson is stepping down and will transition to a new role as a strategic technical advisor. Marc Winterhoff, formerly the Chief Operating Officer, has been named Interim CEO. This leadership change comes as Lucid pushes forward with its ambitious expansion plans. With a new direction and significant production goals, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for the company. You are listening to Yuan News.